This is the thing. Yep.
Oh, she's sticking her whole face into the cupcake. Watch.
2 feet.
Do it again.
Mmm. Is that pretty yummy?
Oh, do you know what we call
I
it?
don't think I want to pick you up just yet.
Do you know what?
You might need a
What
little
we
bath.
call when she smashed?
You might
She's
need a
the
bath.
cupcake. Do you know what we call that?
What?
We call it Anna Smash. Like Coke Smash. Except it's Anna Smash.
It's a whole new kind of cupcake.
We
Oh, she's
call
offering you some, honey.
Oh,
Look,
thank
delicious.
you. Yummy.
What is sweet.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh,
she's
she
saying
said thank you. Can you say thank you? How do you say thank you?
Or a Pete. Dad should be saying thank you, not Anna. Dad should.
That's true, but she's still learning.
Thank you.
Oh, what a sweet girl.
Oh, I got under clothes.
It's everywhere.
That's okay.
Yes.
That's
It's
what
even in your hair.
That's what a first birthday is supposed to look like.
It's Japanese. Yeah.
This guy's American.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I think she likes cake.
Can the video end now?
At 5.
Can the
Okay,
video
Anna.
end now?
Okay, Anna, can you say bye-bye?
American.
Oh boy.
Can you say bye-bye?
This is
It's not Japanese.